Hello, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. The weather is nice today.
Yes, the weather is very nice. It is sunny and warm.
I like sunny days. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I like sunny days very much. It makes me happy.
Me too. What did you do today?
I went for a walk in the park. And you?
I stayed at home and read a book.
That sounds nice. What book did you read?
I read a book about animals. It was interesting.
I like books about animals too. What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog. And you?
I like cats. Cats are very soft and quiet.
Yes, cats are nice. Do you have a cat?
No, I do not have a cat, but I want one.
I have a dog. His name is Max.
Max is a good name. How old is Max?
Max is 3 years old. He is very playful.
That is nice. I like playful animals.
Me too. What did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate toast and eggs. And you?
I had cereal and milk.
Cereal is good. Do you like cereal?
Yes, I like cereal very much. It is easy to eat.
I like eggs too. They are healthy.
Yes, eggs are healthy. Do you like to cook?
A little. I like to cook simple food.
What simple food do you like to cook?
I like to cook pasta and salad.
Pasta is good. I like pasta with tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce is tasty. Do you like spicy food?
Not very much. I like food that is not spicy.
Me too. I like mild food.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza. And you?
I like rice and vegetables.
Rice and vegetables are healthy.
Yes, they are good for the body.
Do you like to eat fruit?
Yes, I like fruit very much. I like apples and bananas.
I like bananas too. They are sweet and soft.
Yes, bananas are easy to eat. Do you eat fruit every day?
Yes, I try to eat fruit every day. It is good for health.
That is good. I try to eat fruit every day too.
What is the weather like tomorrow?
I think it will be cloudy and cool.
Cloudy days are nice sometimes.
Yes, cloudy days are calm and quiet.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, I like rainy days when I stay inside.
Me too. Rainy days are good for reading or resting.
Yes, rainy days are good for rest. What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to relax and watch movies.
I like to go outside and meet friends.
That sounds nice. Do you meet friends often?
Not very often. Sometimes on weekends.
I see. I like quiet weekends.
Quiet weekends are good for rest.
Yes, rest is important.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock is a good time. I wake up at 6.
6 o'clock is early. Do you like to wake up early?
Yes, I like to wake up early. It helps me start the day.
That is good. I like to start the day slowly.
Slow mornings are nice.
Yes, slow mornings are calm.
Yes, slow mornings are calm.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
I like coffee too. It tastes good.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea. I drink tea in the afternoon.
Tea is nice and warm.
Yes, tea is good for relaxing.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice. And you?
I like water. Water is very healthy.
Yes, water is the best drink.
Do you like to eat snacks?
Sometimes I like fruit as a snack.
Fruit is a good snack. I like nuts too.
Nuts are healthy and tasty.
Yes, nuts are good for energy.
What do you do after work?
I like to rest and watch TV.
I like to read or listen to music.
Music is nice. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and calm music.
Soft music is relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
Do you like to exercise?
A little. I like to walk.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, walking is easy and healthy.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Not really. I prefer walking outside.
Walking outside is nice. You can see nature.
Yes, I like trees and flowers.
Flowers are beautiful. What is your favorite flower?
I like roses. And you?
I like sunflowers. They are bright and happy.
Sunflowers are nice. They look like the sun.
Yes, they do. Do you like to grow plants?
Yes, I have some plants at home.
That is nice. Plants make the home fresh.
Yes, they do. Do you have plants?
Yes, I have a small garden.
A garden is nice. What do you grow?
I grow tomatoes and herbs.
Tomatoes are good for cooking.
Yes, I use them in salads.
Salads are healthy and fresh.
Yes, I like fresh food.
Me too. Fresh food tastes better.
What is your favorite season?
I like spring. And you?
I like summer.
Spring is nice. Flowers bloom in spring.
Summer is warm and sunny.
Yes, summer is good for the beach.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I like the beach very much.
The beach is relaxing.
Yes, I like to swim and walk on the sand.
Swimming is good exercise.
Yes, it is fun and healthy.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel sometimes.
Where do you like to travel?
I like to visit new cities.
New cities are interesting.
Yes, I like to see new places and try new food.
Trying new food is fun.
Yes, it is a good way to learn about culture.
Do you speak other languages?
A little. I speak some Spanish.
That is good. I want to learn Spanish too.
It is a nice language.
Yes, I like learning new languages.
Learning languages is good for the mind.
Yes, it helps us understand others.
Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies and dramas.
Comedies are fun.
Yes, they make me laugh.
Laughter is good for health.
Yes, it makes us feel happy.
Do you like to listen to the radio?
Sometimes, I like music on the radio.
Music is nice. It can change our mood.
Yes, music is powerful.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock is a good time. I go to bed at 9.
9 o'clock is early. Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well. Good sleep is important.
Yes, sleep helps us feel good.
Do you like to drink water before bed?
Sometimes I like to drink a little water.
That is good. Water keeps us healthy.
Yes, water is very important.
It was nice talking with you today.
Yes, it was nice. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you, Tom. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.